Bless up, it's your guy right here, Maka the Pharmacist, FreeHaven Farms. Yo, I'm about to plant some things right here. Some of these shallots right here. I don't know if y'all know about shallots, but you see, I bust them open like that, and each of those are actually going to grow into plants, to two different shallot plants. It will be a cluster of onions. I really like growing shallots. Plant them a little bit differently than I plant this garlic right here. I want to plant them right now. Plant garlic now, it overwinters, and then I could harvest it in the summertime. I'm gonna show you guys all about this in the Grow Your Own Garden Club. We got class tonight. Any class you missed, you can get the recording of it. Next few classes, we're gonna be talking about how to end the season, winter gardens, how to grow through the winter, indoor gardens, apartment gardens, all that we're gonna be covering in the next few weeks. The allium plant family, and these guys right here, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. Just look it up. But in my garden, they're really great companion plants. And if you don't like the taste of these things, you don't want to eat them, you can still plant them in your garden and get a lot of great benefit out of companion planting. This is all game that I'm going to be giving tonight in the Grow Your Own Garden Club. I'm about to switch it up, get changed, and start to plant in this. Y'all see me there. Stay rooted. Keep growing. Bless.